Here we're going to look at topic 11, section 4, or example 4, classify lines. So are the graphs of the equations 3y equals negative 4x plus 6 and y equals negative 3/4 x minus 5 parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So let's remember that parallel lines have the same slope and different y-intercept, and perpendicular lines, the slopes are opposite reciprocals. So what we want to do is we want to compare the slope of each equation. So we'll take this first equation, 3y equals negative 4x plus 6, and we want to figure out the slope. Now, you do want to be careful. Sometimes we jump to the conclusion that this negative 4 is the slope. However, y is not isolated, so what we need to do is we need to isolate y first. So I divide everything by 3. I'm left with y equals negative 4/3 x plus 2. And now, I'll clean that up a little bit. Now I can state what my slope is. Alright, we need to have this in slope-intercept form before you can state what the slope is, so be careful. So in this problem, my m value is negative 4/3. The second equation, y equals negative 3/4 x minus 5, well, this one already has y by itself, so this one's pretty easy. M is equal to negative 3/4. So what we want to do is we want to compare these. And we want to ask ourselves, are they the same slope? Well, no, they're not, right? One's negative 4/3, one's negative 3/4. And then we want to, so they're not parallel. We want to say, all right, are they perpendicular then? Well, the slopes are opposite reciprocals. These are reciprocals of one another, right? 4/3, 3/4, the numerator and denominator are flipped. However, they're not opposite reciprocals. They're both negative. So they're not parallel, they're not perpendicular, so this would fall under the category of neither. So parallel is pretty obvious, they need to be exactly the same, they're not. Perpendicular, this one's a little bit tricky because they are reciprocals, but they're not opposite reciprocals. So do be careful with that, and you almost always want to put these in y equals mx plus b form. That's going to be the easiest way to determine what the slope is, and it'll give you the ability to compare the y-intercepts just in case they wind up being the same. Okay. But that's it for these problems. You're just going to compare slopes and then decide whether they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither.